Hello monster friend, how are you? There goes 8 pills so far. How about putting some of what was seen in just one pill? Let's go. Example 11. Professor Jones gives 4 tests a year. The tests have weights of 1, 1.5, 2 and 2.5 respectively. The average to pass the year is 7. If little Wally's grades were 5, 5.5, 6 and 10, did he pass the grade? Part 1. Are you looking out for little Wally? Multiply the grades by the respective weights of the tests and add them. Answer. Are the parentheses necessary this time? The result is 50.25. Part 2. Let the drums roll. 50.25 divided by open parentheses, the sum of weights, close parentheses. Answer again. Are the parentheses necessary this time? See how important it's to pay attention to how to write the math operation. 7.17. Even take only one blue note. As Wally got 10 in the heaviest test, he managed to save the year and pass straight through. Long live little Wally! Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye!